Hey, what's going on? Welcome to Bite-Sized News and Entertainment. Before we get started, I want you to go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. I also want you to go ahead and hit that notification bell so you would be the first or one of the first to know when I upload. Let's get into it. Bill Cosby, the 83-year-old comedian, is going home after serving a little over 2 years on a 10-year sentence. The Pennsylvania Supreme Court overturned his conviction and sentence. Now, Cosby was sentenced in September of 2018, 3 to 10 years in state prison for allegedly drugging and sexually assaulting a former Temple University employee by the name of Andrea Costin in 2004. Now, Cosby's response to the good news was, "I have never changed my statement nor my story. I have always maintained my innocence, thanks to all of my fans, supporters, and friends who stood by me through this ordeal." He especially thanks the Supreme Court for upholding the rule of law. Now, Bill Cosby arrived at home where he seems to be a little shuffled and needed some assistance to getting up the steps, and also seemed to be wearing a mask. Now, the Montgomery County District Attorneys have a totally different tune about Cosby's release, saying it does not exonerate him, and his release is based on a legal technicality. Now, District Attorney Kevin Steele says the majority decision by the Pennsylvania Supreme Court ruled that Mr. Cosby be released from state prison. Now, Steele also feels that the procedural issue had nothing to do with the facts of the crime. Cosby's TV wife, Felicia Richard, celebrated his release, saying, "Finally, a terrible wrong is being righted. A miscarriage of justice is corrected." Now, a spokesperson, Andrea Watts, for the Cosby family, tells the decision was just as much as a surprise to the family as it was to everyone else. Andrew also commented on how Bill's wife, Camille, felt about the good news, said she's extremely delighted and she's backed her husband 100% the entire time. Now, there are two reasons why the Pennsylvania Supreme Court ruled that the conviction could not stand. Number one, it was unduly prejudicial to allow five women with similar stories to Andrea Costin to testify and try to show an MO of Mr. Cosby drugging women and sexually assaulting them. Number two, former DA Bruce Coster cut a deal with Mr. Cosby that if he testified in a civil deposition, he would not face trial criminally. During that deposition, Cosby made incriminating statements about drugging women, and the DA turned around and used it against him in trial. The Supreme Court said, "No, can't do that." The deal was broken by the prosecutor. The judge vacated the sentence and the conviction. And to add icing on the cake, not only is Mr. Cosby free, he cannot be retried. Now, let me know what you think about that little bite-sized news and information. Go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. And until then, I'll see you on the other side. Peace. I'm out of here.